ki sports activities baro kiba bro shikata ngimsha. Sports activities baro kiba bro shikata ngimsha. Namar kabangisha mansua kadai tang ya kitu ki non physical contact sports activities. Tenrei menang isim ya karai hapo ka review meeting nadu kaskinikong syajrong ya kini sports activities ngin sya nang tai ki cinema hall ngin sya ban play tang baka capacity kan long 1/3 na ka seating capacity kitu kibengi ong ki jackpot parlors ngin sya nang ta syusyu kini ki public parks kum ka nan polok kum katuka kaneka Lady Hydra Park kum kateka let's say kateka Elephants Fall ka bateng teng ki kwa ban yalek kai ban lek pengat te yakini ru nadu kasing nengkong ngin sya tamba kandon ka SOP kabatikna kabaka sorkar kan perkre mentakas ngilan la syai kin ai ke notification bat kumju ru ki deputy commissioners kin sale ya kabadon kam hakini ki jaka ki bangigin sya kalong ya kitu ki khat pras nem sejrong bat ki bala ai ya ka injection lani katika kabangi ong ka vaccination ba ya ka private transport namar baro sikata ngimsya like no tangkitu ki basyo ya ka karpas lengba ki deputy commissioner nadu laskinengkong nginsya bakin yai 1/3 na ke jingdon jong kitu ki kali bat yakani nsa penbit penbiang da ki deputy commissioners hala kijong ki jaka hala kijong ki district. I think let us not link with what has happened recently, especially that the day where the funeral takes place with our late cherished Thank you. The crowd, they just came by themselves, and ultimately we can't help it. That's what I'm telling you right now. Why government wanted to transfer the ownership, let me use that word, ownership, has to be owned by individual as well as by the household of each and every household in the state of Meghalaya. If you say that no government has to feed us, I think that is wrong. Because as I said to you, when we issue SOP, when we issue notification, it is not for the interest of the government. It is not for anything. It is for the safety of each and every individual, each and every household throughout the state. So what we are doing right now from the department and as well as from the government, why recently we decided that participation of each and everyone. And of course, we do have local institution, which is known as Rangba Shnong, committee Shnong, local headmen in each and every locality, in each and every villages. Now, as I said to you, this time, government is partnering the responsibility between the state government, between the government and also the Rangba Shnong, the community Shnong of each and every village, so that we'll be able to really take care of people in different parts of the state. Vaccination percentage till today evening, we have just reached 49%, which is very encouraging, which is very good. And I'm sure by the end of September, we'll be crossing 70%. And now we have seen that people willingly, they come and then they go to the vaccination centers for getting themselves vaccinated. So this is a good sign. And I'm sure once we reach maybe to 85, 90%, I think, the restrictions can be lifted in totality. This is what we are working out towards that, where ultimately we can bring back normalcy like usually happen. So this is what I would like to share with all of you. And then the residents of the state, they need to know that, of course, still some sections, some people, they still have this hesitancy. But let me just tell you now, 49% till today we have just reached, we have just crossed, and I'm sure that hesitancy will further go down from now on.